Let's go. I like how it's always in the power band. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 on our channel. Welcome back, Sasha.
Yeah.
Katie, welcome back.
Nice to see you again.
Yep. So let's get the Genesis started up. I want to say a big thank you to Enrique over at Capital Auto Sales LLC of Frederick, Maryland for providing me this Genesis. And let's see how this car drives. Let's go check out its exterior first. I do like these older Genesis cars a lot. They're very reliable, have a nice, calm design to them. Thank you very much. That is going to make everything easier.
Here when it's like a little bit more rough.
Okay. Well, let's check out the back seat. We have a beautiful back seat. It's very roomy. Let's hop in there. Oh, I love it. There is a lot of space here. We have the vents here, cup holders. I'm 6'2". There's lots of headroom, lots of legroom. I feel like I'm in an executive car. The materials are all soft, and I love these side vents. The condition is meticulous. We got perforated leather, excellent quality. Open up the hood for me again, will you? One more time. Yeah. All right, let's check this out. Nice heavy trunk. Look at how big this trunk is.
Oh yeah.
It's huge.
Like
Huge trunk. But you know, I actually really like the back seat on this Genesis. Because you see we had the air conditioner vents on the side and down there.
I love it.
And I love the back seats. They're actually, I think, better than the ones in the RX.
I like that feeling when it opens by itself.
Yeah, we got all our factory stickers or VIN sticker. Everything here, again, everything here looks factory. No bolts were turned. We got the VIN sticker here and there. Very nice. We got good clean headlights, no fog on them. Very nice. All right, well, let's hop in and go take it for a drive. Alrighty, so jumping into the Genesis. So talking about the feature, there's not really much to talk about. We have Bluetooth, XM radio, MP3, CD, heated seats. We got our storage compartment. Also, you got your USB right here, iPod and AUX. So, and your power outlet.
And the most important thing.
Yes, yeah, your cigarette lighter, yeah. And then, yeah, you can, oh, you gotta just press that. Exactly. Yeah, you can put your phone here and then just close it. We got all the factory manuals. Wiper test. Okay. Good horn. Dual zone climate. Let's see, automatic. Yep, automatic windows. Okay, power adjustable mirrors. Let's adjust the mirrors as needed. Let's also check. Oh, also I think the light turns on. Yeah. Pocket for glasses. Auto dimming HomeLink mirror with compass. All right, so let's get started and take her for a little drive. See how she does. Okay. I like the steering wheel. I like the leather. It feels high quality. And genuinely, I really like this interior. Everywhere you touch, it's soft. Every part that I'm touching is soft. There's a lot of space. The seats feel great. But we will talk more about its driving qualities and the comfort a little bit down the road throughout our test drive. We got a floor mounted pedal, has that German feel to it. You'll find a similar pedal in BMW and Mercedes. Rides over the bumps beautifully. And I love how much feedback there is in the pedal, like it's got so much torque behind it. Now let's come on out here. Oh yeah. Very smooth power. Look at how crisp and smooth these shifts are.
You don't even feel them.
You don't feel them. Yeah, the 8-speed is excellent. We're just gonna give them some space so we can try out its acceleration. This is the manual mode and this is just the drive. We're gonna give them some space. And we're gonna see how this Genesis gets up to speed. I like the steering, it's firm, but smooth. All right, ready?
Start. Oh wow.
Yeah, we're up to 85 already. Just like that. I like how it's always in the power band. Yeah, look at this, 95, 100. Yeah, this thing can move. Wow.
It's like, I feel like it's squishing me in the seat.
Yes. Yeah, with 3 people in the cabin, the power is just effortless. And I don't have to apply the throttle much. The seats are comfortable, supportive, feel good on my shoulders. We also have the lumbar support.
Even the head is soft.
Yeah, and the headrest is nice. But look at how much torque this car has. Like, I'm barely touching the gas, maybe 10%. And then if I want to kick down, like that. Wow. Impressive. Wow. Yeah, this is a fast car.
Definitely.
This is a fast car.
And at the same time, not only plastic, like smooth. And
Yes.
like a luxury.
And it's very quiet. It's very quiet in here too. Like the interior, it's very quiet.
Mm-hmm.
You see, look at the speed we're going at.
Oh, okay.
And look at how quiet. It's quiet. You can whisper.
Yeah. In comparison with Corolla, you won't hear like the same.
I mean,
sound.
you know, even compared to any German car, this is very quiet. Like, look, we're going at this speed and it's very comfortable. Look at this. Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It rides like an expensive German car. This is much more of a BMW Mercedes than a Hyundai by any means. It's also a rear-wheel drive setup, so it's like it's made the right way, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's made like it should be done. I can't believe how powerful this car is with 3 people like inside.
Yeah.
It feels like a rocket. Literally, I don't even have to floor it. I just have to go like halfway and we're flying. Literally. I'm impressed. Well, you will see the 0 to 60 test up in the next clip. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, let's see what we got.
It's definitely less than 7.
It's less than 7. Oh wow, so we did 6.5 with 3 people in the car.
Yeah.
6.5 and then 0 to, oh sorry, 0 to 60 came in 6.2 with 3 people.
With 3 people, yeah.
We're gonna have to see how fast it is with 1 person. 6.2, 1/8 mile was 9.28 at 78.96 miles an hour. That is crazy fast. And the quarter mile, 14.22 to over 100 miles per hour.
Okay.
Wow. That's way faster than the Lexus RX. Like that thing is this thing flies. The Dragy, 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, so I just did a 0 to 60 test by myself, and I did 5.9 seconds. And let's see what the 1/8 mile time was. All right, history, 0 to 60. See, 5.92.
Wow.
5.92, and the 1/8 mile came in at, let's see, 9.11 at over 80 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm.
That is amazing. That is amazing.
If this car after 100k miles can do this,
yeah,
still performs.
Yeah, it
power.
performs better than what the the manufacturer would say. Mm-hmm. And I think this is actually not that far off from a V8 Genesis that I tested. I believe I got like 5.2 or 5, like something in the low 5s, and this did 5.9. Like what else would you want? And I love the transmission here. It's just so instant.
Fast.
It's so instant. Literally, it's like instant, and it always has the right gear. It's always in the right power band. I like it.
So
I really like it.
Software also works like perfect.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, mechanically and just the condition of this car is amazing. Amazing. Very good.
Yeah, it's like catching them.
Yes. Yeah, cornering is great. Yes. Excellent. We're gonna try it through that path right now. See what that is. Yeah.
Even smoother than.
It's great.
Even smoother than Lexus.
Yes. Yeah, it actually will. Yeah, no, obviously it's better than the Lexus in this sense. Yeah, great turn in. Definitely a smooth suspension, but it's still very well adjusted. Like it holds the corners nicely, and I love the way it feels. Like look at how sharp it is. For a big barge like this, excellent. Very impressive. Yeah, look at the response. Very good. And this is only less than halfway. Well, let's wrap up the test drive. So what are your all thoughts about this car?
My thoughts, it's like a hidden monster.
A hidden monster, right?
Yeah, you definitely don't expect from this car like this torque, this power, this how it handles the road, everything, like the features they are hidden under the hood. But I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too. I'm super impressed.
I'm really impressed.
Honestly, this is one of the nicest driving luxury sedans of that time. Absolutely. And remember, guys, this car came out in 2013. Competition was not as rigorous as it is right now. Cars were slower back then in 2013 than today. So by 2013 standards, this is a rocket. Literally. Even for today, it's a rocket. Like, you see how effortless it pulls. Yeah, I love the seats. I love the seating position. The visibility is perfect. Brakes feel good. Of course, they could be stronger, but again, this is not a sports car. The materials are solid. I love the sound. The soundproofing is excellent for this class. And you know, this is one of the nicest cars you can buy for the money today or back in 2013. Amazing car. I love it. Thumbs up. Absolutely recommend. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Until next time.